Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to find the best loot in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, familiarize yourself with the map layout. Knowing where the high traffic areas, loot hotspots, and supply crates are located will give you an edge. Study the map during downtime or play in practice mode to explore without the pressure of combat. Choose your drop zone carefully. Aim for areas with multiple buildings as they usually contain more loot. Avoid landing directly in the center of the map as it's likely to be crowded with enemies. Keep an eye on supply crates scattered across the map. These crates often contain rare weapons, armor plates, and other valuable items. Plan your route to intercept supply crates while minimizing exposure to enemy. Pay attention to audio cues such as gunfire, footsteps, and crate drops. These sounds can help you locate nearby enemies or pinpoint value loot. Use headphones for a more immersive experience and better directional awareness. Take advantage of perks and loadout to enhance your loot hunting capabilities. Perks like scavengers allows you to resupply ammo and equipment from fallen enemies, while loadout drops provide access to customized weapons and gear. Optimize your looting process to maximize efficiency. Quickly scan rooms for loot without getting bogged down in unnecessary details. Prioritize essential items like weapons, armor, and healing supplies before looting cosmetic items or attachments. Keep moving to stay ahead of the shrinking circle and avoid becoming an easy target. Loot efficiently, but don't linger in one location for too long. Constantly assess your surroundings and be prepared to adapt to changing circumstances. While looting, be prepared to engage in combat at a moment's notice. Assess the situation and determine whether it's advantageous to engage or retreat. And that's how to find the best loot in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.